Hello children, I am Karishma Nathani welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 15, simple past tense.
Children, did you know Mahatma Gandhi's real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. As a child, Gandhiji was shy and soft-spoken. In September 1888, at the age of 18, Gandhiji went to London to study and become a lawyer. He also went to South Africa, where he spent 3 years. Gandhiji believed in non-violence. He organized the famous Dandi March. Gandhiji died on 30th January 1948. His samadhi is known as Rajghat. Children, do you know these events of Mahatma Gandhi's life have already happened? We use past tense to describe events that have already happened.
Children, the words used to talk about an action, a situation, or an event that happened in the past are known to be in the past tense. These sentences are accompanied with the words such as yesterday, last week, last month, etc. Let us see some examples which are in the past tense. Mahatma Gandhi fought for freedom. Mother Teresa cared for the poor and the sick. Graham Bell invented the telephone. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Jan Gan Man. All these words like fought, cared, invented and wrote tell us that these events happened in the past. Thus, these sentences are in the past tense. Here is the structure of past tense. The regular verb work and like changes to worked and liked. The irregular verbs such as go and see changes to went and saw respectively. Please note that regular verbs add ed or d. Irregular verbs are those which do not have an ed ending when changed to past tense. Irregular verbs can change in many different ways. When an auxiliary verb, did, is used, the simple form of the verb remains the same in past tense. Thus, work and see remains in their simple form when used with did. Please note the simple form of the verb is its actual or plain form without any special ending such as d, ed, etc. Let's look at some examples using regular verbs, irregular verbs and auxiliary verbs. Here, notice that ed is added to the regular verbs, form and inspire respectively. Here, due to the verb being irregular, the past tense is different and ed endings are not used. Examples: take changes to took and fight to fought. If we use the auxiliary verb, such as did, the verb does not change in the sentence. Let's do some exercises. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of past tense. The students dash to protect their country. Choose from pledged, pledge or pledging. Good work! The students pledged to protect their country. Now try the next one. The second one. The freedom fighters dash us. Is it inspiring, inspiration or inspired? Good work! It is inspired. Now try the next one. The third one. Gandhiji dash the policy of passive resistance and non-violence. Is it teach, taught or teaching? Very good! It is taught. Let's try the next one. Did you dash homage to the freedom fighters at the Amar Jawan Jyoti? Choose from pay, paid or pays. Try again. Well done! It is pay, as auxiliary verb did is used here. Did you pay homage to the freedom fighters?
Children, we can make negative statements by following the given rule. We can use a subject with did not and add the root form of the verb and the object or complement and make a negative statement. Example: Vani did not play Holi with her friends. In a similar way, we can make questions beginning with questioned words in the simple past tense. Let us look at the given formula and make such sentences. We make such sentences by using a question word with did and add the subject and the root form of the verb and the object or complement and make a question beginning with question words. Let us look at an example. When did Leela learn to play the flute? Practice time. Using the given verbs, make one negative and one interrogative sentence beginning with question word. The verbs given to you are play, drive, sing, teach, receive. The sentence is said to be in the past tense if it talks about any situation, action or event that has occurred in the past. The sentences which are in the past tense are generally accompanied with words like before, yesterday, last week, etc. Regular verbs add ed or d. Irregular verbs change in different ways. In case did is used in the sentence, the verb remains in its simple form and doesn't change to past tense. We can use subject with did not and add the root form of the verb and the object or complement and make a negative statement. We make question word-based sentences by using a question word with did and add the subject and the root form of the verb and the object or complement.
So, let us understand your text and fair exercise. First exercise is change these sentences from simple present tense to the simple past tense. There are sentences given in simple present. We have to convert it into past, simple past. Okay, so let's start. The children play in the park. Children play is a simple present tense. So we have to convert it into past. So play become played. The children played in the park. Remaining sentence as it is. The cat sleeps on the old rug in the afternoon. Sleeps. Sleeps become slept. Answer is the cat slept on the old rug in the afternoon. Remaining sentence same. The magician shows wonderful tricks. Shows to showed. The magician showed wonderful tricks. Next is change these sentences to negative sentences. He laughed at the jokes his sister cracked. Answer: he did not laugh at the jokes his sister cracked. In negative sentence, we have to use did not. And when we use did, then the verb will be from first form. Means no change, verb will be same, real. Means laughed is a past form, but a laugh is present form. So when we use did, we have to use present form of verb. Then we took part in the sports day. Answer: we did not take part in the sports day. Took is a past form, but we are using did. So we have to put present form of verb. So it will become take instead of took. Then Jaya won a prize at the elocution competition. Jaya won. Won is a past form. So we are using did not. So we have to put win instead of won. So answer is Jaya did not win a prize at the elocution competition. Next exercise. Complete the following sets of questions and answers using the simple past tense. As it is, we have to use did. So remember that when we are using did, we have to put present form of verb. Who dashed to over the phone? I spoke to my mother. We have to put did you speak? Did I, you instead of I. We have to remove I and have to put you because it is a asking question. And spoke to speak because we are using did. So we have to put present form speak. Who did you speak to over the phone? Answer is I spoke to my mother. Someone is asking you. So did you? And you have to answer I. Okay. Then same. When dash Pooja yesterday? I met Pooja at 6 p.m. So here again did, then you instead of I, and meet instead of met because we are using did. So we have to put present form of verb. When did you met Pooja yesterday? Okay. Then next exercise. Change these sentences to questions in the simple past tense using did again. So again, remember that when we are using did, we have to put present form of a verb. Grandmother fed the fish last evening. Grandmother, then Did grandmother feed the fish last evening? Question mark. Did grandmother feed? So we are using did here. So we have to put present form of verb feed. And sentence remain as it is. Simran went for a run on Sunday. Did Simran go instead of went? Because went is a past form of go. Did Simran go for a run on Sunday? The next is Suri gave Michael some marbles yesterday. Did Suri and gave to give, because gave is a past form and we have to put present form because we are using did. Did Suri give Michael some marbles yesterday? Okay, I hope you understand. So like this way you have to complete all your text and fair exercise. Thank you.